At Tech Upskill, we understand the importance of upskilling, and we are committed to helping individuals like you thrive in today's technology-driven world. Our top job guarantee courses are designed to provide you with the skills and knowledge that are in high demand in the job market. Here are some of our most popular courses. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Learn the fundamentals of AI and ML and how they are being applied in various industries. Data science and analytics. Master the tools and techniques used to analyze and interpret large data sets. Web development. Acquire the skills to design and develop modern responsive websites. Cybersecurity. Learn how to protect digital systems and data from unauthorized access or attacks. Cloud computing. Explore the concepts and technologies behind cloud computing and how it is revolutionizing the IT industry. SAP HANA SAP's core competence is to leverage innovative technologies that help companies become best-run businesses. These courses are taught by industry experts who have real-world experience in their respective fields. They are designed to be practical and hands-on, ensuring that you gain the necessary skills to excel in your chosen domain. Want more insights? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates.